Oh, here's y'all some goats today. I don't know how well you can see them, and the horses are out. Oh, there's a baby goat. Look at that one, Maggie.
He's like a baby billy goat. Yeah, look at the little one coming up, yeah.
I wish they'd come down here
Toby,
lower.
look.
Toby, the animals are out.
He's going, yeah, I know, I'm one of them.
Toby.
See? Now, I could have got that and got my lawn mowed that way too, but...
Look at him.
Toby, look at the horses. He loves the horses. He just gets very still when he sees them.
He likes my pocketbook right now.
He thinks they might be made out of horse, I think.
Something he can eat. You eat anything, don't you? I gotta get this. Look at this. That's my pocketbook.
Pocketbook puppies.
And that's Toby. Where you at? Are you being shy?
Oh, I gotta check the chicken.
Toby?
Ooh,
Oh,
Toby.
no.
Sorry, buddy. Are you okay? You want to come in? You want to come in?
Oh, he wants to be with Mommy.
Oh, you're so cool. You okay? Come here. Come here, I want to see you. Silly, come here. Come here.
Come down here, goats. There's one over here laying down that you can't see. I don't think. What you see? There goes Toby. He sees the horses and the goats.
See what I mean? He loves them.
He just wants to play. Boy, they'd stomp on you and smash you.
He just scared the shit out of those cats.
Look at him. He's just sitting there watching them.
He's all done now.
Uh-huh. So that's enough of that.
I'm sorry I stepped on your little foot, buddy. You didn't bite me once after that, though.
Toby, what you doing? What you doing, Toby? What's the baby doing? You're being awful quiet. Here's Toby. This is Toby. Toby. Hi. What a pretty baby you are. Oh, I love you, Toby. I love you. Oh, you love the kisses. Oh, yes. Oh, you're giving me cold chills. Why? You're giving me cold chills. Mwah. Look at Toby. There's Toby. He's so tiny. Yes, he's a baby. He likes to be cuddled. He likes to bite. Yes, he does. Hi, baby. Mwah. You're so sweet. I love you. Darling. You're such a precious treasure. Yes, you are. I want my hair. My pigtail. What? Say hi to everybody. Say hi, everybody. Say hello. Say hi, Toby. My name's Toby. Look at that little tail. How cute. Look. Oh, you're so precious. I love you. Toby. I love you. Mwah. Okay. Let me let you down. Let's see where Toby went. Oh no, he doo-dooed on the porch. Gotta get something to clean that up. Hi, what you doing? Toby? What you doing? Look, there's birds down there. Want to go listen to the birds chirp? Toby? Look at you. Where'd you go? There's Toby. Where you at, Toby? There's Toby. Hi. 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 There's Toby. You want my feet, don't you? Kitties are so cute. Where'd they go? Now I can't even. They're all.
Blueberry and Bubba.
I thought there was two. Where's the other? Oh, okay.
They're brother
Hey,
and
kitty,
sister.
kitty, kitty.
They're brother and sister.
Where's the little puppy?
Now where'd Toby go? Toby, what are you doing?
Here he is.
You like the kitties? Oh, he is afraid.
He barked at her and she ran off. She's a big chicken.
Bubba, what
Or
are you
she's
doing?
a tiny chicken.
Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitties. Toby, look at the kitties.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Bub.
Oh, there she is.
Come here, Bub.
There's the kitty. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness, she's beautiful. Is it a girl?
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow,
She
she's
is.
so pretty.
The sickliest little cat I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at
What
that
was it, Christmas
face.
Christmas she had a broken leg
Yeah.
and
Aw.
a respiratory infection. That was,
She walked around with a cast for how long?
yeah, because she wouldn't heal. They had to give her medicine to get her leg to heal.
Oh my gosh, here,
then-
baby.
Then now she's got allergies.
Poor
Yeah, she gets right up
baby.
in your face in the
And
middle of the night and
sneezes.
sneezes on you.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a good sneeze. You got to wipe your face after.
You can come here, kitty, kitty.
Come
They
here,
were so
Bubba.
pretty.
Here,
And the
Bub.
face on this one.
Hi, Blueberry.
Toby. Where'd Toby go?
Yeah, he's
Inside? Okay.
Oh, better
Got to
go.
keep an eye on that puppy because
Yeah.
I don't know if she couldn't get out of these gates, you know?
Yeah.
That's good. Like I said, if she comes up missing, check my house first because I'll steal 'em.
See y'all later.